wigless. Like, my edges is not here. They went on vacation. They are just not coming back to 5 business days. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So I'm so excited for this video because I'm doing a wig video. I haven't did a wig video in so long. This is the perfect fall wig. So let's get into it. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, girl, because a real plug when it comes to the synthetic wigs. I will have you looking right for $30 plus tax. So here's the wig without me customizing anything. This is how it's looking. It comes with, it look like about 5 inches of parting. The parting is very, very good. As you see, it's not a lace front. You just have the part and then the lace, and the lace is like a medium brown lace. So that is perfect. One comb in the nape area, one comb on the side, and another comb on the side. Now I am just going to cut this lace and put this boy on. The wig is on. Guys, how the wig looks before this video starts. I want to show you guys how the wig looks and like not the studio lights and like the regular lights in a bathroom. So as you can see, you can probably see the color way more now. It's more of like a reddish, kind of orangish kind of color. I love this so much. And also we have a promo, so if you know, I do $10 YouTube promos, and if you want to promote your product on any of my upcoming YouTube videos, click the link below. And these lashes are from Her Way Lashes. She sent me these gorgeous lashes and they are just bomb. Can't wait to take some bomb pictures in them. Make sure you check her out. Get you some bomb lashes. These are so natural, so pretty, but dramatic. Okay, honey? But yeah, let's get back to the video. It's looking so cute. Now, what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna just gently brush these curls out before I do anything because they are giving me anxiety, honey. I can just not take synthetic wigs, just the fake curl. Like, look at this compared to this. Like, what? Like, girl, I had to brush these out. And it also comes with layers in the hair. I love the layers. I used to never be a fan of layers. I don't glue my synthetic wigs down. I don't know. Am I the only person that do that? I don't glue my synthetic wigs down. I feel like that's unnecessary. But yeah, call me Cambella. What I'm gonna do is get this part looking right because she's looking boxy and she's looking a little bit blurry. My black opal powder ready. Angular, like an eyeshadow angle brush. I don't have like a real skinny brush. Dang it. But I'm gonna use this. So basically dipping in my black opal powder. This is in the color medium. And basically just putting that in the part. What I'm also going to do is I'm gonna take my brush again. I like to put some light powder into the part, and then I like to go over and take some of my foundation. I'm just put a little bit of that, dab it on, and put it in there. So I like to go from light to dark. That just makes it, that's like a hack to make it look like scalp. You know how people be having a part too light and it's just like, girl, that's not cute. So to make your part look like scalp, go in with a lighter color and then go in with a color that's a little bit darker. Okay, so now the color of the part is looking just like my skin tone. That's just what we want. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do a little bit of baby hairs. Even though this is not like a lace front wig, I cannot live without baby hairs. So we're going to make some baby hairs one way or another. So I'm going to just take out literally a little bit of thin piece of hair from the front. And then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to be using some Moray's Edge wax for these baby hairs right here. Did I not bring a goddamn toothbrush? Oh my god, hold on. A little bit baby hair action going on. This is my favorite part, to let Humpty Dumpty have a nice fall. let's lay this wig the fuck down. So I'm gonna take my motions moves and just put some on the top of this wig like so. Okay, so this is my second favorite part, laying this hair down. So what I'm gonna do is, what I really like to do is I like to mold this hair how I want it to stay. So I'm gonna just take a little bit more mousse. I want the hair a little bit more out my face, so I'm gonna put a little bit mousse on that piece, put it back like that, and do the same for this side, because I want the hair to come out my face. Like, get out of here, girl. This wig is hot. And yeah, leave it on. Like, girl, this can be a look too. You see the orange and the do-rag? Stop playing with me. This hair will also look good straight. They should have made a straight version too. So let's get into this wig. This wig is by Outre, style Phoenix. I got it in the color 3D RF Flame Copper. Just love like the colors of it. It also has like a dark red. It reminds me just like of like a nice flame color. You guys believe I haven't worn a synthetic wig in like months, maybe a year. This honestly feels so good. It feels so natural. It fits very good. It's big head friendly. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. I do have the combs in, but I don't be putting the combs actually inside my hair. I put them in a wig cap because I don't want my edges to tear out. But I love this hair. Like, this is the perfect fall color hair. It is so sexy. It is so cute. And me, I'm not really a big fan of like synthetic wigs, but this is popping. Y'all can't cap. You cannot cap. Like, you be like, girl, I know you try to get this color with your human virgin hair. I know you try to get this color and you couldn't. Do a shake test for you guys. Very full. As you can see, she is shaking. She is not stiff. She is not stiff. Okay, she moves. Okay, she moves. She have bounce. She have body. She have volume. She have density. Length, I would say, is about like 20 inches. It comes up to about here. Y'all see that? I'm just in love with how the color just like flows so great. And if you are a person that's scared of color, get this wig, because honestly I was like, okay, all these bright colors, I'm not really a fan of bright colors on me. Actually looks pretty good. I think you can wear this in the side part, but since it's not like a lace front wig, I wouldn't wear it in the side part. I don't know, just middle part just look so sleek, so straight to the point. Shipping was not too long. I ordered this wig on elevatestyles.com. They shipped it the same day, and I got the wig in like, I think 2 business days, because their factory's in New Jersey and I live in New York, so shipping takes no time. But I really love this, guys. Like, and this is actually my first time ordering a synthetic wig online. I used to go to the beauty supply store. Don't go see a beauty supply store because they be overcharging. Go to your beauty supply store, you see a wig you like, look it up online, and it's literally like $40 cheaper. Don't go to the beauty supply store. Save your money and go online. Type of lace, they said this is Swiss lace, and the lace is pretty good. Like, I can't lie, the lace is pretty good. And this wig also comes in many colors. Y'all guys know the color I want. I want this in red. Oh my god, the red that this come in, it is so fire. Oh my god. And also come in 1B blonde. Like, this is just, girl, this hair is it. Like, this hair is it. Go get this wig. I put y'all on to all the bomb full wigs so we can look like an orange leaf. We can look like a pumpkin. We can look like rich. Look like somebody debit card, somebody black card. Like this video. For more wig videos like this, I'm going on a hunt. I'm going on a journey. I'm finding all the bomb wigs that's good and affordable for you guys and for myself, okay? So I'm going through a synthetic wig journey, and I'm just gonna cop all the bomb wigs that just look like it's worth $500. That's what I'm gonna do. And I have more videos to come like this, and it was just so easy to style. Like, look at this. It was so easy to style. You can slay on the low. You can slay on a low, and some of these ho-hos be slaying on a high, and be looking like, oh girl, bye-bye. Like this video, comment for more, and I'll see you on the next one.